In front of me is ZTE Blade A71, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in Launcher iOS 16 and install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now choose while using and allow in the pop-ups and click on Home button. After that, you need to choose iOS Launcher, click on Always and tap on Got it. As you can see, after that, Apple layout was successfully applied. But if you wish to, you can always switch between your layouts by going into Settings, choosing Apps and tapping on Default Apps. Now tap on Home app and click on Default Launcher or iOS 1. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!